In this talk, we are going to discuss about the WORA concept. WORA stands for Write Once, Run Anywhere. The question is, what does write once and run anywhere mean in Java? The write once, run anywhere WORA concept is defining feature of Java, emphasizing its platform independence. For the better understanding of write once and run anywhere concept, we are going to discuss about the platform naturality first. Then second, we will discuss about the bytecode execution, what it means. And third, we discuss about the JVM interpretations. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, and consistent behavior. At fourth part, we will discuss about it. Okay, let me talk about first what means of the platform naturality. Java code is compiled into an intermediate representation called bytecode. We are talking about the platform naturality. Yes, Java code is compiled into an intermediate representation called bytecode. This bytecode is executed on any device or platform that has a virtual machine installed, regardless of underlying hardware or operating system. This is all about the platform naturality. Now we are going to discuss about the bytecode execution in detail, like what it means. Bytecode execution means instead of compiling Java code directly into machine code specific to a particular system, Java compilers generate bytecode, which is a low-level representation of the program that can be understood by any JVM. Any JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. Okay, let me talk about the JVM interpretations in detail. Okay, the JVM interprets this bytecode at runtime and translate it into machine code that the underlying system can execute. These interpretations makes Java program highly portable across different platforms. Now we are going to talk about the consistent behavior. Applications written in Java behave consistently across diverse environments, ensuring uniformity in functionality and behavior regardless of the underlying system specifics. Like if you build any application for the Windows operating system, that will also be run in Linux or Mac operating system, and the same behavior you will see because of the JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Okay, now we are going to see what is the advantage of WORA. WORA stands for Write Once, Run Anywhere. In that, first we are going to talk about the portability. Why it is an advantage? Let me tell you why it is an advantage. Developers can write code once and deploy it on any system with a compatible JVM, eliminating the need for platform-specific code versions. And the second advantage is reduced development effort. Let me tell you what it means. Java's platform independence reduces the effort required to build and maintain applications for multiple platforms. And the third advantage is cost efficiency. With WORA, business can save on development cost by avoiding the need to create separate versions of software for different platforms. And fourth advantage is easier maintenance. Single code bases simplify maintenance, updates, and debugging as changes apply universally across platforms. Fifth advantage of WORA is wide adoption. WORA has contributed to Java's widespread adoption in various domains, including enterprise applications, web applications, mobile applications, and embedded systems. These all are the advantages of the WORA concept. Now we are going to discuss about the challenges and considerations. Now we are going to discuss about the challenges and considerations. Why people consider to use Java platform for their business. Let me tell you why they choose. First one is a performance considerations. Some people use Java because of the performance. Let me tell you what it means. While Java's portability is advantageous, there might be slight performance variations due to JVM optimizations and differences in underlying system architectures. And the second one is dependence on JVM. JVM here stands for Java Virtual Machine. Let me tell you what it means. The availability and the compatibility of JVM on different devices or system can impact the actual execution of the program. Now we have completed the WORA concept. Here we have completed, and if I conclude all these which we have discussed, like from the platform naturality to advantages to challenges and considerations, if I conclude all these, the WORA principles remains a core strength of Java, enabling developers to create applications that are not tied to a specific platform, enhancing flexibility, scalability, and ease of deployment across diverse computing environments. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture. Okay, learn Java and be happy.